This video is a complete guide to do advanced searches on your LearnPress courses. You'll learn how to use any field as a search parameter and display all the search results in an intuitive spreadsheet. This is something LearnPress doesn't allow you to do. If you want to edit all the courses with a 6-week duration, you have to open them one by one and then apply the changes. However, here you'll see how to select some simple values and find your courses instantly. For that, you need the WP Sheet Editor plugin, which allows you to edit posts, pages, and any custom post type using an intuitive spreadsheet. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. You'll also find the link to our written guide to advanced searches. WP Sheet Editor allows you to search for your LearnPress courses by keyword. This is really useful if you have courses that share some keywords on their titles. For example, you may want to search for all the LearnPress courses containing the app keyword in their titles. Just open the search tool. Now enter the keyword here. And click Run Search. All the courses containing the selected keyword will be filtered and showed on the spreadsheet. WP Sheet Editor allows you to search for your LearnPress courses by category. Let's say, for example, we want to find all the LearnPress courses that belong to the software category. Just open the search tool. Now enter the category you want to find. And then hit Run Search. As you see, all the LearnPress courses that have the selected category assigned have been filtered and displayed on the spreadsheet. You can also find all the LearnPress courses by the course duration. For example, we'll find all the courses with an 8-week duration. We just have to open the search tool. Now let's enable the advanced filters. You need to select duration. Now let's select equal. And enter the number of weeks your courses last. In this case, we'll enter 8 week. Finally, hit Run Search. As you see, all our 8-week courses have been displayed on the spreadsheet. If you want to find your LearnPress courses by price, you just need to open the search tool with one click. Now enable the advanced filters. Search for the price field. Here you have different options. You can select equal to find all courses whose price is $15, for example. You can also select the equal or less, or the equal or higher operators to find your courses. It all depends on what you want to do. In this case, we'll search for all LearnPress courses whose price is $15 exactly. As you see, all our courses have been filtered and displayed on the spreadsheet. LearnPress allows you to add a passing condition to your courses, which means you can select which grade the students need to get in order to pass the course. WP Sheet Editor allows you to use the passing condition as a search parameter to find your courses. Once you're in the search tool, enable the advanced filters. Now select the passing condition field. You can select the equal operator to find courses with a specific passing condition. Optionally, you can use the higher or lower operators. For example, let's find all the courses with a passing condition of 60 or more points. Once you hit Run Search, all the courses with the selected criteria will be filtered and displayed on the spreadsheet. With LearnPress, you can feature LearnPress courses on your website, so they get better visibility on a sidebar, for example. WP Sheet Editor lets you use the featured course field as a search parameter. On the search tool, enable the advanced filters. Now search for the featured field. Select equal and mark the checkbox. Finally, run the search. As you see, all our featured courses have been displayed on the spreadsheet. LearnPress allows you to decide how many times a course can be retaken by the students, and WP Sheet Editor allows you to find courses by retake count. In this example, we'll find all the courses that can be retaken twice. Open the search tool and enable the advanced filters. Now select Retake Count equal 2. Finally, click Run Search and all the courses will be filtered and displayed on the spreadsheet. Advanced searches are easy with the WP Sheet Editor plugin. Remember, you'll find a link to the written guide in the description of the video. You can download the plugin using the link in the description. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our channel to find more video tutorials.